Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Panache. If you're new here, this is Veena and I make a lot of videos here on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and also a lot of fun content with my family. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. And I post a video every Sunday at 11 AM. I will also be posting more often in the future. I'm planning to also start vlogging maybe once a week in my life or something like that. Let me know what you think about it. If you think I should be doing it, your comments really mean a lot to me. So I really do take them seriously. So please comment and let me know what you think about it. And let's begin with this video now. Before we begin with this video, I would like to tell you that today's video is very special to me because from the time I started my channel in the month of June. And it's about 7 months now, and from then on now this is my first giveaway that I'm having on my channel, and I'm really excited about this. I'm so happy that I'm able to give back for all the love that I have been receiving on my channel. My subscribers are really so nice, and I'm only being showered with love all the time in the comment section, and I feel really so nice and so happy. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm really so blessed. So now I thought it's high time that I give back, at least by having a giveaway. I really love you all, but by giving away I would like to say thank you. I will be picking up the giveaway winners using a randomizer. So whoever has followed the rules, I have mentioned the rules of the giveaway. Whoever have followed the rules, I'll put their names in the randomizer and I'll be picking up a winner. So it's fair and square. Also there will be a special announcement at the end of the video. So please wait till the end of the video and I'm sure you're really going to be happy. Okay, now without any further ado, let's begin with this video. Now today's video is going to be a Myntra haul. It's not going to be a very long haul. A few pieces that I picked up from Myntra. I picked up some maxi dresses. I usually pick up a lot of short dresses, but this time for a change, I thought I should pick up some maxi dresses and also be talking about some maxi dresses for the people who love to wear long dresses. So I picked up a few different styles, and there are two brands that I have picked up from, and I would really like to talk about them because I think these are brands which are really reasonable. Quality is awesome. I have picked them up, I have worn them, washed them several times, and I know they're really good, and that's why I'm talking about it today. So now let's begin with this video. Now I picked up two brands from Myntra. One is Berry Lush and the other brand is called Ux. Now these two brands I know are really good because Ux clothing I have already picked up in the past. I've picked up their ethnic wear, their kurtis and stuff, and I know their quality is really good and really different. Their prints and everything is a little different. So that's why I like to pick up their pieces. Now today I picked up a maxi dress also from them. And I've tested them, wore it, washed it. So I know the quality is really nice, and that's why I'm making this video today. So first up, let's begin with the dress that I'm wearing. Now this is a nice deep green color dress. Okay, this is the back. You can see it through the mirror behind. I will also be putting up a mini video sort of, or a picture, so you'll get an idea of how the dress looks. Now I've picked up everything in the size medium. This is a crisscross back, so you can adjust the back accordingly, so it will fit you well. And I will also be making a video on what you should wear underneath clothes like this. Okay, now especially if you're wearing a backless dress like this, you cannot be wearing a bra that will show behind, right? So I will be making a video on that. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so first up is this dress. It's a nice long dress. It doesn't have any slit. It's a nice, beautiful, simple, looks very simple from the front, but everything is happening only behind. So it looks really beautiful, gorgeous, very nice for a night out, for a party. Really looks very nice and elegant. So this is the first dress. This is from Berry Lush, and you'll be really surprised with the prices. I will put up the prices over here. I do not really remember the prices now, but all these dresses that I picked up are all below 1,000 rupees. Okay, so you'll be really surprised with the prices because I was surprised, because for the quality I think it is a little it is too good. So if you're looking out for something like this, Berry Lush is one brand that you should definitely check them out. Their fabrics, their colors, their fitting, everything is too good. And whenever I picked up anything from them, I did not have to exchange them or return them for sizing issues, quality issues, nothing at all. So this is something that you should really check out. So this is the first dress. Moving on to the next one. Next up, I have this dress. This is a nice powder blue sort of a dress. You will not get an idea of how it looks if I show it to you like this. It's a strap dress. It's got a nice V neck and it's got a nice long slit in the front. It's a beautiful powder blue color, as you can see. When I put up a video of it, or the mini video, or maybe a picture or something, you'll get an idea of how it looks. It's really such a beautiful, gorgeous, summery sort of a dress, you could call it. Very nice color. I loved it, and the quality is really nice, and it's got a very nice flare. You know, it's like, you know, it actually opens up nice and wide. So it's really good. So this is the second piece. Next up, I got this yellow dress. This is a one shoulder sort of a dress. This is how it is. This is how it goes, like this. Okay, it's a one shoulder sort of a dress. It's got this print, as you can see, cute little white flowers on it. Looks really nice, very nice. Again, a very nice summery beach wear sort of a dress. Looks really pretty, and you can dress it up, dress it down. It's also got another nice long slit, and it's got, the flare is like too much. You know, this is the entire flare of the dress. It's so nice, and the quality, the fabric, awesome. So this is the next one. Last dress that I have is this one. Now this is an off-shoulder dress. This is from Ux, the dress that I was talking about. This is the one from Ux. It's a cotton dress. The other two dresses were nylon or polyester fabric, rayon fabric, and this is a cotton dress. Okay, but it's really beautiful. This is a tie-dye sort of a print that it has. It has this cinched, you know, cinching that's happening over here on the on your body, so it holds onto your body nicely. And even usually when you have these off sleeves, off shoulder sort of dresses, you know, it always kind of moves up when you lift your hands or something like that, but with this dress it doesn't happen at all. It stays in place. It's stitched so well, and the fitting and everything is too good. So this is another dress, one of my favorites. I really love this dress, basically because it's cotton and it's white, and it's got the tie-dye effect, which is so much in trend nowadays. So that's it. So I hope you really like the pieces I showed you today. Let me know which was your favorite one and which do you think you would pick up. So I really hope you like this video, and let me know what else do you want me to do. I'm planning to, you know, make a lot of different content this time, bring something new, change the style of my video. So I don't want you guys to get bored with my videos, so I'm trying to amp it up a bit. Let me know if you have any ideas, if you want anything in particular, you want me to change anything in particular. I am listening, for sure I'm listening, and I take all criticisms positively. So I'm ready to make the change if required. So please let me know, and I will do my best. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much once again for the immense love and support that you guys have been showering me with. I'm really so blessed and thankful from the bottom of my heart. Please continue to support me, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of giveaways coming up in the future. Right? So that's it. Now, time for the giveaway winner announcement. So buckle up and wait for the announcement. For all those who participated in this giveaway, I put their names in this random name picker app. Okay, now I had mentioned very clearly that the rules for the entry is that you need to subscribe to my channel, you need to comment or as to which video you like the best, and you also need to follow me on my Insta page. So whoever have followed these rules, I have put their names in this app called the random name picker app. As you can see, I will be putting it over here on the screen so you know it's fair and square. And I've got 2 winners. Yes, I was supposed to have just 1 winner, but the surprise is I picked up 2 winners because I was really happy with the immense support that I got from all of you, that I thought, you know, I should pick 2 winners. So that's what I did. I picked up 2 winners, And the first winner is Shushmita Rao. Thank you, Shushmita, for all your love and support always. And the second winner is Cecilia Dominic. Thank you, Cecilia, once again for all the love and support. And thank you all my wonderful subscribers. Even though you'll have not made it to this giveaway this time, I'm sure next time you will definitely do. So please don't be disappointed. There will be a lot of giveaways coming up in the future. I am sure about it. So please continue to support me. And also I would like to give a special shout out to Ayushi and Vanshika Bharadwaj for inviting so many of their friends to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I really hope that you make it the next time, but I will definitely have a lot of giveaways coming up in the future. That's a promise. So thank you so much once again for all your love and support, all my subscribers. I really want to give you a nice tight virtual hug. So thank you once again, and as I always say, stay safe, stay strong and stay happy, and see you all very soon in my next video. Bye bye.